At A&S Landscape, we create covered areas for schools. Our range includes steel and polycarbonate canopies, tensile fabric structures and cycle storage solutions. We've been around for over 40 years and have an impressive reputation, not just because of our expertise, but because of our exceptional service too.
The service, the quality of build, the whole project so far with A&S has been absolutely fantastic.
Our products are used across the UK for covered walkways, playground shade and shelter, outdoor dining areas, entrance canopies, covered seating and much more. Our clients are often working to tight budgets and usually with many stakeholders to satisfy. We're good at developing affordable solutions that turn visions into reality.
The design of the canopy I think is perfect for what we need. It provides the ultimate amount of shade that we could hope for in the playground.
I wanted a large shelter for our students and I was very pleased with the drawings I received from A&S.
The price was very good as well, which is another important thing when schools are budgeting, and they were just very professional. I can't praise them enough.
Manufacturing here in the UK, we believe in taking the best designs, using the best materials and giving them the best protection for a long life. We don't cut corners. We don't use aluminium structures, fiberglass roofs or plastic guttering. If you choose a product from A&S Landscape, you are choosing the best.
We chose this because we thought it was the most aesthetically pleasing and one that would also appeal to the children.
I am very pleased with the overall quality of the design and the construction.
Whether building site or bustling school, we understand the challenges and work to ensure a clean and safe installation to your satisfaction.
We got the go-ahead from the PTA just after Christmas and the canopy was installed less than 3 months later in March, and it was installed to a very high standard.
The A&S contractors have been absolutely fantastic. A&S are certainly delivering a project which is exceeding my expectations.
They were very professional, very friendly. They covered all the carpets up for us which we requested with plastic, and they kept me in the loop at all times. I would recommend them, definitely.